Do you wear earbuds when you go to bed? Do you like to cancel out all that noise so you can get the best sleep ever while jamming to some sweet tunes? Well, in this episode of Get Tech Cheap, we're going to show you how to do just that. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at the Sleep A10 from the company Anker. As you know, in the past we have reviewed a couple of their soundcore items, and they're just amazing and great. But this one's designed to give you amazing sleep, to cancel out all that noise, and to have extreme comfortability in its design. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and we test the product, so let's get over to Brad.
Okay, so here we have these soundcore Sleep A10 Bluetooth sleep earbuds. Let's cut the plastic and get them out of the box. See what all we get. Alright, so it will fold open. It's got a little magnetic holder on the side. Pretty nice. Right in the center we have all of our different ear size tips. They're all there. Then we've got a tips guide, and right here we have the earbuds themselves. Both of them are on top without any ear tips installed already, so you can go ahead and get your preferred ones on there. Then we have the charging case placed right in the center. Now we slide it up and the earbuds will go right in there. For you to charge them, magnetically holds in place, lets you know they're in there correctly. We have a USB-C port right here. Looks like a button right there. Right there it lets you know they are charging. We've already started the charging process, so we'll let them start charging up. Underneath we have our paperwork, all your soundcore paperwork that you need, and your quick start guide, as well as a charging cable. We have a USB to USB-C that will go right in the back. So we'll go ahead and get all of this on charge and give the soundcore Sleep A10s a test and see what we think.
The Sleep A10 is a Bluetooth sleep earbud system that can block out noise for peaceful sleep. Soundcore's 4-point noise masking system allows passive noise blocking for true quiet, so you can keep all that disruptive noises at bay for better sleep. It blocks up to 35 dB of noise. That's 15 dB more than the other sleep earbuds. Included are noise masking covers, changing noise levels. The Sleep A10 uses soothing sleep sounds to mask disruptive noises, and adaptive noise masking algorithm to track and automatically adjust the audio volume to ensure your surroundings don't disturb you. It's got a tiny size and a lightweight build. Forget you're wearing earbuds even when you're sleeping on your side. The Sleep A10 slim profile and lightweight build comfortably fit in your ears throughout the night, even if you sleep on your side or move around a whole bunch. And it's soft and durable. It comes with 3 sizes of ear wings and 4 sizes of the twin sill ear tips. Enjoy virtually unlimited audio. Use the Soundcore app to access a wide range of soothing sleep sounds. Alternatively, connect the Sleep A10 to other devices to listen to relaxation apps, audiobooks, and more for virtually unlimited selection. It's tailored for sleep-inducing sounds. The Sleep A10's dynamic drivers are tailored to produce low-frequency sounds that are 10 dB lower than magnetic drivers. It's a personal clock for your ears only. That's right, you can set up your alarm to the Soundcore app, and it will play throughout the Sleep A10 to avoid disturbing others. It has 10 hours of built-in soothing audio, and the charging case adds an additional 40 hours, so this thing stays charged and powered all throughout the night. Anker, thank you so much. You guys have done it again by making another awesome product. The Soundcore system has been amazing, but some of these sleep products are just wild. This is crazy. I'm excited to test this thing out with things like ASMR and also just any kind of weird frequency stuff across YouTube. You know what I'm talking about, where it's like listening to the sound to boost your whole frequency, right? So the Sleep A10 seems perfect for something like that. But let me know, do you guys listen to music when you go to sleep? Do you listen to any relaxation sounds or wear earbuds or anything like that? Let us know in the comments or wherever you can. And if there's a bell, click it for notifications. I've been your host, Matthew, and thank you guys for watching Good Tech Cheap. I want to give a huge shout out to Anchor. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you guys in the next review. Later.